Good morning, everybody. My name is Pankaj Kumar, and today's topic is profit and loss. Before we start profit and loss, we'll understand few terms. Cost price. जिस प्राइस पे हम खरीदते हैं उसे हम कॉस्ट प्राइस कहते हैं. जिस प्राइस पे हम बेचते हैं उसे हम सेलिंग प्राइस कहते हैं. यदि हमने 8 पे खरीदा और 10 पे बेचा, so this is SP is greater than CP. That means it is profit. हमने 8 पे खरीदा और 6 पे बेचा. That means CP is greater than SP. That is loss. Profit and loss will always be calculated on cost price. सपोज आपने 8 पे खरीदा 10 पे बेचा, तो प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? 10 minus 8 is 2. प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज प्रॉफिट अपॉन CP into 100. अब आप देखिए, आपने 8 पे खरीदा और 10 पे बेचा, तो आपने कमाया कितना? 2. और हमेशा आपका जो भी कैलकुलेशन होगा प्रॉफिट और लॉस परसेंट, दैट विल ऑलवेज बी ऑन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो आपने कितना कमाया? 2. और आपने कितने पे खरीदा था? 8. तो 2/8 into 100 is 1/4 is 25%. Now, one basic concept जो हम समझेंगे, if cost price is not given, we will assume CP to be 100. If cost price is not given, we'll assume CP to be 100. यदि 20% लॉस होगा, तो 100 minus 20 is 80. Is this clear? Loss means minus and profit means plus. यदि 30% प्रॉफिट होगा, तो क्या करेंगे? 100 plus 30 is 130. Is this clear, everybody? यदि हम बोलेंगे 70, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? 30% लॉस. हम बोलेंगे 125, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? 25% प्रॉफिट. Now see this question. Last we discussed 20% loss. याद आ रहा है? 20% loss means 100 minus 20 is 80. देखिए, ये आपका assumed SP है और ये आपका actual SP है. 30% profit means 130. तो 20% loss is 80. 80 is equal to 720. Then 130 is equal to what? 8 9s are 72. 139s are. Now we'll see the multiple person sale. A, B, C. Suppose A sells an article to be at 20% profit. That means we'll assume the A to be 100. When I say 20% profit, that means 100 plus 20 is 120. Is this clear? Now I say B to C 10% loss. So B to C 10% loss means 120 का 10% is 12. So C will pay how much? 120 minus 12 is 108. Is the concept clear, everybody? Please pause the video and see it again. Suppose I make it another question. A to B 40% profit and B to C 20% loss. For example, let's see. So A by default is 100, 20% profit is 40% profit is 140. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please understand, whenever it is written 140, it is 40% profit. And wherever it is written 100, by default the CP is always taken as 100. When I sell at 20% loss, so 140 का 80% is 112. So this is 28 and the amount paid by C is 112. I hope the concept is clear, and we will see in this chapter that we are solving questions without any formula. Only guys, I request you to work on your tables, calculations, so that the objective of think without ink is fulfilled. We will be able to solve question without pen and paper. Now we take a question based on the last concept. A, B, C. First thing is A, B, C. So find the cost price. When I take the cost price, we assume the things to be 100. 30% profit means 100 plus 30 is 130. Bola yes or no? Now 20% loss. So 30 का 20% loss is 30 का 20% loss. 130 into 80 by 100 is 104, and when you subtract this becomes 26. You can do like this: 130 into 20 by 100. So is this clear now? 100, 130 and 104. We can remove this just for understanding. So A ने अपने आर्टिकल 100 में खरीदा, B को 130 पे बेचा और C को उसने 104 पे बेचा. अब देखिए C पे 104 का बेचा, which is assumed CP SP. अब इसका इन्होंने एक्चुअल प्राइस क्या है 120. अब क्या रिलेशन है 104 का 520 से? 100 5s are 500, 4 5s are 20. So 104 into 5 is 520. 100 into 5 is 500. Is this clear, everybody? Thank you.